Okay, so hello. Welcome to Why Ready Answers 2024. So let's see, and then today we are going. Today we're going to be doing understanding inequalities, level F. So yeah, let's just get straight into this.
Here are today's learning targets. Write inequalities that have a variable. Graph inequalities. Decide whether a number is a solution of an inequality. A frozen yogurt shop has several flavors. Sherry uses different freezer temperatures to get the ideal softness for each flavor. Which of these freezer temperatures can Sherry use for cherry yogurt? You can graph 3 degrees Fahrenheit as a point on a number line. Which of these freezer temperatures can Sherry use for banana yogurt? Choose all that apply. These temperatures are less than 3 degrees because they are to the left of 3 on the number line. Which of these freezer temperatures can Sherry use for lemon yogurt? Choose all that apply. Way to go! These temperatures are greater than -4 degrees because they are to the right of -4 on the number line. The point on the number line represents the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit at noon on a winter day. You can use an equation to represent a single point on the number line. Let T be the temperature at noon. Complete the equation. An equation shows that two quantities are equal. The temperature equals 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Alaska is the coldest state in the United States because it is the farthest north. The coldest temperature ever recorded in Alaska was -80 degrees Fahrenheit. The number line shows several temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit that were recorded in Alaska on a winter day. Make a true statement about the temperatures that were recorded in Alaska. Let T be one of the temperatures recorded that day in Alaska. Which of these is a true statement about T? The relationship T is less than 5 is an inequality. Which of these other temperatures makes the inequality true? Good job! You can plot this temperature on the number line. All the values plotted on the number line make the inequality true. A value that makes an inequality true is a solution of the inequality. Use an inequality and a number line graph to represent all the temperatures greater than -2 degrees Fahrenheit. Which inequality represents temperatures T that are greater than -2 degrees Fahrenheit? Let's graph some solutions of the inequality. Choose 3 solutions of the inequality T is greater than -2. The number line shows these solutions. What do you notice about the solutions on the number line? Are there more solutions of the inequality T is greater than -2? There are infinitely many points to the right of -2 on the number line, so there are infinitely many solutions. Is -2 a solution of the inequality T is greater than -2? The open dot on the number line means that -2 is not included as a solution. Mammoth Cave in Kentucky is the longest known cave system in the world. So far, explorers have mapped more than 600 kilometers of the cave's passages. Jordan plans to explore some passages in Mammoth Cave. The elevations of the passages are all above 6 meters, where 0 meters represents sea level. Which inequalities represent elevations x above 6 meters? Select all that apply. Which graph represents the inequality x is greater than 6?
Okay, wait, this one I don't actually know. Hold on.
Latasha explores some passages in a cave. The elevations of Let y be the elevation of a passage in meters. Write an inequality that represents elevations above -10 meters. Graph the inequality y is greater than -10. Nice. Riley explores some passages in a cave that are below sea level. Let x be the elevation of a passage in meters. Write an inequality that represents elevations below -1 5/10 meters. Graph the inequality x is less than -1 5/10. Write an inequality that describes the graph. Write an inequality that describes the graph. Great! Match each inequality with the correct graph. You can decide if a value is a solution of an inequality by substituting the value for the variable. If the result is a true statement, then the value is a solution. Is negative 3 a solution of the inequality y is greater than negative 5? Determine if 11 is a solution of the inequality 6 plus p is less than 15. Substitute 11 for p. Simplify. Then decide if the inequality is true or false. Is 11 a solution of the inequality? Determine if each value is a solution of the inequality 8x is greater than 5. Determine if each value is a solution of the inequality 10y minus 1 is less than 10. Let's review what you learned today. You wrote inequalities that have a variable. Every day last week, the low temperature in Fairview was below negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Which inequality represents temperatures below negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit? You graphed inequalities. Which graph represents the inequality x is less than -4? You decided whether a number is a solution of an inequality. Which number is a solution of the inequality x is less than -4?